It sounds pissed off. I like that. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a new car. Still have the Camaro ZL1 and we still plan to make video content for that. However, I needed a daily driver and something I could fit a 60-pound dog into. And that's where I came in with a 2024 Volkswagen Golf R manual, of course, because that's how we do it. Excited for what is to come with this car, and as we keep building out the ZL1, I also want to build out the Golf R at the same time. It's got the beautiful key. Fail. Probably saying this is probably the weirdest dynamic duo that anybody would ever come across, and you're right. That's pretty much it. It's such an extreme difference of what I've been driving for years for my life, which is like American muscle cars, or just American cars in general when I don't have muscle cars. And that's why this thing kind of fits that place. It's a lot of fun. This car actually feels like it's tuned. A turbo 4-banger with 315 horsepower, 285 pounds of torque. Of course, we got the manual transmission. This, I think, would fill that gap that I'm looking to fill for a turbo all-wheel drive manual transmission. Most importantly, a hatchback. I love hatches. The tune that Volkswagen has on it, just the ECU, just the engine specific tune, is really good. I mean, this walks up to Subaru and just smacks it across the face. But I think they make sense. I mean, what's that thing? It sounds pissed off. I like that. This car's got the EA 888 engine. Actually forged internals, and the engine's actually quite robust. People actually handle quite a bit of power on these things without having to tap into the inside of the engine. What's crazy to me just looking at this car is there's no MAF sensor. Look, it's literally just tube to filter. This car in the handling department is nuts. Nothing new, it's kind of the egg. And this is one of my favorite features. If you check out the mirrors, when you lock it, they actually fold up for you. Gives the car a very cool kind of sleeping look. Yeah, I feel like this is a very special car and it does things for me. So this is my new daily and I get to enjoy it and be ecstatic about it. You got this sick light up bar. This is GTI and Golf R. These headlights are some of the best I've experienced. When you're making like a left turn, this outside light will come on to give you kind of more room to check it out. Yes, we got a prop. And you got to do that manually. It is the way of life, but hey, if they could save a couple bucks with that, then sure, what it is. But they actually have one that goes into this hole here and will be hydraulic. So that'll be a quick, easy upgrade for me. I think I'll enjoy. I really enjoy the front end of this car. Huge brakes that I gotta say are magnificently responsive. This car is pretty light, so it does a great job in braking. I say this car is an absolute joy to be inside. And I actually really love this interior. You can see kind of some of the LED lightings. It's here in the pockets, it's on the floors. It's in the cell phone holding area. I think this car deserves respect. I think this car has its place in the community and I don't think it's really shined upon as much. People don't really talk about Volkswagen Golf Rs or really GTIs as much as I think that they probably should. So guys, I hope we get an opportunity to grow with me with this channel and experience a new turbo car, kind of the last of the breed, being that it's a manual transmission as well. We're not going to be able to see these too much in the future. Maybe if people enjoy this, they'll go out and buy them themselves, and maybe in time we will get more manual transmission enthusiast cars out there, and automakers will realize that there's a niche market that they can make some really good money off of. So I put my money where my mouth was. I bought another manual transmission. Thanks guys.